Welcome to the vlog. You guys just saw I have been packing up for my friend Megan's beach house. I'm going to be gone for the weekend. It's Friday right now. I'm about to leave and I will be there through like Sunday afternoon, evening. I filled up my duffel so quick, so I may need to grab another bag, but yeah, I'm pretty much like ready to go. I just grabbed my Cara vitamins since I'm just gonna grab like 2 packs since I'll be gone for the next 2 days and toss them in my bag. These are so nice for traveling just because they're like individually packaged, so I can just throw them in my toiletry bag, good to go. And since they're individually packaged, it's so good for getting back onto routine, especially since it comes in this dispenser. It's like you can just grab one each day. You guys probably already know that I've been taking Cara vitamins for literally years and years now. They're so amazing. I love them so much. Thank you so much, Cara, for partnering with me on this video, because you know what a big fan I am of you guys. I just have felt so lost in the past about what vitamins I should be taking, and their quiz just makes it so easy. If you guys haven't heard of Cara and you don't know how it works, basically you will just answer questions in their quiz about your diet, your lifestyle, your health goals, and it can just make recommendations based on that for your wellness concerns. And yeah, I don't know, I've retaken the quiz several times when I moved here and my environment's changing, things like that, or if my health goals are changing, and it can make different recommendations. So I'm just going to take my vitamins with you guys here this morning. I can list all the vitamins I take right here on the screen since some are hard to pronounce, and Cara is just amazing. I love that they are super transparent about the research and sourcing behind each of their products since I've been such a fan for so long. I know their vitamins are amazing quality. You guys know I love their protein powder as well. So if you guys haven't tried them before, you totally should. You can go to takecareof.com and use my code GG50. You will get 50% off your first Cara order. So now we're just going to take these together. I had to get up, get my water bottle. You guys may remember I'm a champ. I take these all at once. Does anyone else take their vitamins like a shot? But yeah, these are the best. Also, I don't think I mentioned this, but these are compostable, which is amazing. I always save a big pile of my Cara packets. You can add it to a compost pile, which is so good. Like you guys saw, I take collagen, and I love that it can just support my hair and my nails, since that has always been a concern of mine, to support the strength of my hair and nails, since I color my hair so much and I always have like fake nails on, and it kind of like ruins the strength of my nails. So I love that I can take collagen to support that. That's just like one example of like how I answer my questions in the quiz. So it will recommend certain vitamins. But yeah, now we're going to get on the road. I'm going to head to New Jersey. If I didn't say, that's where my friend Megan's beach house is, in Avalon, New Jersey. And this is going to be like the best weekend vlog ever. I also didn't even tell you, it's gonna be Megan, our friend Amy, and my best friend Taylor. So it's gonna be so fun. I can't wait for this weekend. Good morning. You're what? This is a whole thing. First full day. We are headed to the beach right now. I can't wait. Woohoo! Going to the beach. This is so similar to Corolla and like how it looks and everything. Like so similar. Hi guys, it's me. I'm the whoa. I haven't been vlogging at all this weekend. I should have realized. Sorry, I'm like so groggy right now because I was just laying by the pool in the sun and I was like falling asleep. I have been so bad at vlogging, so I was like, I need to get out my camera. I literally brought this camera yesterday to the beach, which was the stupidest idea because the first thing I did was grab my towel out of my bag. I pulled it out and the camera fell right into the sand. And I think this camera is about to really break. You guys know I shattered the screen, but all the little sand was getting in the lens and I can hear it crunching around. Like, I'm surprised that it's filming right now. So I think I broke my camera and I wasn't even vlogging, so fail. Last night I grabbed my camera out of my bag because I wanted to vlog, and a piece of the screen, since I shattered it, went into my finger and I was bleeding everywhere. If you can see my thumb, like who even cares? Having all these excuses, but yeah. It's just been really nice to like be in the moment, and I've had like little clips on my phone and whatever. But yeah, it's been like the best weekend with my girlfriends and just being really present and everything. Hanging in the sun, going to the beach, hanging out with her family. I just feel lucky to have such a nice group of friends. I've been meeting so many of you guys here, which has been so fun. And we've gone like smoothie bowls and coffee and like walking around the town part of Avalon, I guess is what you call it. Like going out to dinner. Hopefully I vlog a little bit more the rest of today while I'm here, since it's our last day here and I've been doing a terrible job. Look Look at these flowers, you guys. I feel like I've just really been enjoying the simple things, appreciating the little things. I love their beautiful flowers. Look at these hydrangeas. Hydrangeas are my favorite. Yesterday, you guys may have seen, I can insert a picture right here. You guys are freaking out over this romper, and I was too, because it's so cute. And it's Megan's little sister Taylor. It's her romper, and I was like, I may need to borrow that for dinner because it's so cute and she let me. So thank you, Taylor. Shout out. And then you guys know my friend Taylor is here too, and Amy. And then Megan's sister Kelly has a mini golden doodle Franny who I've been playing with so much. She's been like jumping in the pool. I can insert a video right here because we've been having so much fun doing that. We could do it all day long.
Just the truffle is obviously.
Are you getting tired? Calm down now. Let's see if I can show you guys actually right now. Everyone's out by the pool. Oh, you can't even see fail. It's like down there, but the deck is covering it. Everyone's laying out by the pool. We're just having a really chill Sunday. I already don't want to leave you guys. I'm gonna leave later tonight, and this room is just so cozy. Taylor and I have been staying in here. This is like Megan's guest room, and it's just the best vibes here. Being somewhere like so beachy, it's just so relaxing. Since I haven't showed you anything, I thought I could give you a little something right now. Like, how cute. This honestly reminds me so much of the Outer Banks, or like, I don't know, any beach town, kind of like Montauk, but different. Just the best vibes here. I'm sure so many of you come here. If you know, you know. So you may be able to tell, maybe you couldn't tell, but I got a little burn at the beach yesterday. I already feel like it's getting a lot better. And one of you DM me, they were like, be careful, your sunscreen could be expired. Maybe that's why it's not working and it feels like you have no SPF on even though you do have sunscreen on. And I think I was using up an old bottle yesterday of maybe like Sunbum, and I think it was expired. So I think that's why I was getting burned. I was like, what the heck? But I'm back to my tried and true new bottle of the copper tone, like a glittery one, which I mean, it's probably like, I've been swimming a bunch, so it's probably off, but it gives you like the nicest little glittery sheen. Also, I've been putting off, since my hair was like in the beach and got all crazy and then in the pool and stuff, I just haven't brushed it and it's like a big knot. So I need to address this situation in a bit. Maybe do like a bunch of conditioner. So bad. Okay, this is said romper, if I didn't say, because I've been getting so many questions of like where it's from. So again, shout out Taylor, Megan's little sister, because thank you for letting me wear this. I'm so obsessed with it. I need to like go to the boutique where she got it or like find it online somewhere. But if this helps, it's this Silisi tag brand. I know she got it at this place called Tada OC. It's like in Ocean City. It's just like a little boutique. It's the cutest little romper. We also got lunch, and I'm so excited. Oh yeah, I got turkey. I was about to say turkey sub, but they call them turkey hoagies, or any kind of hoagie instead of sub. Mayo, lettuce, tomato. Oh freak yeah, I'm so excited. I haven't had a sub in so long. Hi.
Have a bad voice or vlog.
Oh my gosh, wait, yeah, they wouldn't even know. Taylor lost her voice.
Good for her because my dog ran away.
He's back, don't worry. Yeah, so she was yelling his name, so that's why her voice is gone. Also, I look so funny right now in all yellow. Look at this. Like, I look ridiculous. I look like a Teletubby. I look like the yellow Teletubby.
What was the yellow one?
What?
What was the yellow one's name?
Guys, what was the yellow Teletubby's name? Dipsy. Oopsie boop. Lala. Po. Oh my gosh, they're all coming back to me. Which one's the yellow one? I'm gonna look it up. Anyway, this is like the only time I vlogged this entire weekend. I have like little clips of like our acai bowls, like coffee, and like our workout, which was so hard, by the way.
That's amazing. I'm gonna start one in Boston, so stay tuned.
Yeah, she's starting it. It's like, how would you say, like circuit, like circuit training, just like a bunch of different stations, like timed. And it was so hard. Also, it was 1,000,000 degrees, so that definitely added to the level of difficulty.
We just had such a weekend. I felt like we were just
so fun with everyone.
Yay!
Hi! Everyone's first appearance in the vlog, like seconds before we
literally didn't even vlog at all.
I know. I have like some cute, fun little clips though. I told them our workout. Phones. Yeah, we weren't on our phones that much. I mean, me. Minimally, that was minimal for me. We had to get the photos. Coffee, honestly, that coffee was so good today.
It was really good.
Goodness Bowls. Go to Goodness Bowls if you come here.
The people are so nice.
Wait, what's the restaurant we like last? Diving Horse. Diving Horse. So good.
So good.
What else do we have for them if you come here?
I'm a big fan of mini golf, so I highly recommend everyone to play mini
She's
golf.
definitely salty that we didn't go.
We didn't play mini golf, but it's okay.
Tim, you were
Next
like, look at that place over there. That looks fun.
time. We passed like 5 today.
We were just saying I look like the yellow Teletubby, don't you think?
I look scary in this lighting.
No, you look
Hey, thank you.
Thank you. I love that one photo of you, of the photos of the 4 of us.
The one that you didn't post.
I think so. When you look like a supermodel and your hair is like flowing.
You know what they say? Can't win them all.
You can't win them all.
They know. When you post an Instagram picture, like you post the one that you look good in. Who cares what your friends look like?
Gretchen's world, everyone.
Oh, when you live in Gretchen's world, that's what you do.
Amy goes, I don't care if you can post this horrible one of me. It's not like anyone's gonna see it.
She only has like a couple thousand followers.
Oh, I don't even know if they saw our exercise dresses today. I'm wearing my black one because Taylor's wearing her white one and I copied. And we matched all day. I feel like everyone loved them. Like we didn't really get compliments out loud, but I could just tell everyone was loving them.
You got compliments out loud too.
We did.
I think I'm gonna
Oh wait, we need to
branch
tell
out.
them what was the name of the place that we went for drinks. That was so good.
Icona.
Icona?
Yeah.
That was
Why
called?
was he making
Why
fun
didn't
of
I-
cheese?
That's the band.
Oh.
It's not cheese, it's something else. I don't know.
Icona. Go there. I thought it was something completely different. I didn't know that that was the name, but it was so good. Love it here. And this is my first time in like this area of New Jersey and I had no idea what to expect. I was thinking like not, I guess what I was thinking was like Cherry Hill because that's the only other place in New Jersey I've been. This is not like Cherry Hill.
I was thinking how it's nice that we can go so long without hanging out. You don't even notice it.
Yeah, I know. We just pick right back
It's just
up.
so fun.
We're gonna see each other soon in
I know.
like 3 weeks.
I know.
I have a thing where I'm not okay leaving until I know
We have another
the
plan.
next
Yeah,
plan.
that's
So
the best.
we'll be back, ladies and gents.
And Taylor always makes us say our favorite part of the trip, like she makes everyone go around and say something like that.
The memory. Favorite thing we did.
Or like if you pick one person and you're like, what's your favorite memory with Amy? Or like, we just
Only
make
on
everyone-
birthdays.
That's for birthdays.
That's for my
Yeah.
birthdays.
That was really fun when we did that for your birthday.
It's like, tell me your favorite memory about me on my
Yeah.
birthday, on your birthday.
Did you tell them you're leaving at 5?
Guys, I'm not gonna get up. All of them are literally working gals and getting up at 5 and leaving tomorrow morning. And I'm like, 5 is the middle of the goddamn night.
Okay, I just want everyone to know she did row for a while when she would most likely wake up at 5.
Like, I don't know how
she
I
can do
it.
it.
I think I just was like half awake. Yeah, I can't do it. We're getting up at 5.
Gretchen was like, you were always so ready in the morning though for practice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I would be like the chatter on the car
Yeah.
rides and everyone else would
And
be
everyone's like,
asleep.
shut up.
And I would be like, woo!
I think Megan was like that too.
Yeah, we both are like that. Like if I'm up, I'm up.
Oh, you'll be up tomorrow, 5 a.m. girlfriend.
Yeah, I'll be chatting your ear off and you'll be like sleeping. This was such a good little catch up. Me, I'm home, if you can tell, and I'm the woat. I feel like I just did not vlog barely at all this weekend, but hopefully you guys are like following me over on Instagram. You probably would have seen a lot more like on my stories and the photos I posted on my feed, everything like that. But yeah, sorry for like barely filming for this weekend vlog. I was like so excited to get all this content, but then I was like, no, we were with like the best group of people, and like I said, I just felt like I was being so present. Megan was probably barely in there at all, but shout out Megan, thanks for being the bestest friend and inviting all of us, because it was just so fun. Like her family just welcomed us in, and we were all talking about the last night how wherever you are, like if you're on vacation or traveling or something, it's always like who you're with that makes the trip, you know? I mean, where you are can be really cool, but it's like the memories are like the people who you're with. So yeah, that was so fun. I'm just feeling very grateful, like I was saying earlier on, that I have such a great group of friends and girlfriends that have my back. I don't know, I just feel like we're all like really supportive friends, and like you heard me and Amy and Taylor saying like we can just pick up where we left off, which is just the best, especially as you grow up and are so busy and your lives are away from each other, stuff like that. So yeah, I still hope you guys enjoyed the little bits and pieces you did see. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.